In this video, I'm going to be replacing the stock seat on my Yolin e-bike with this more comfortable aftermarket seat. A link to this seat is above and also in the description. So let's get started on this install. In order to remove the stock seat, you're going to remove both batteries and then use a 10mm socket to grab each one of the 6 nuts that retain the seat, loosen the stock seat, and it will come off. Alright, I got the seat removed. You can see here are the 6 attachment points that I'm going to attach the new seat to and where the old seat was mounted. Okay, I did some pilot hole drills so that the wood screws would grab the new base of the seat. I only went just slightly through so the bolts can get started. Make sure that you use short screws so they don't protrude too far into the seat and cushion area, or else you could be hurt. Now I'm going to get that seat mounted. Alright, the new seat is installed. 2 screws in the back, 2 screws up front. You don't need the 2 screws in the middle, but I ended up doing it. But it looks really good, I have to say. It's a lot more comfortable than the stock seat. This aftermarket seat looks really good on my dual battery e-bike. But one of the things that I realized, I probably mounted it a little far forward, so I'm going to shift it back a few inches. The other thing for taller riders, you may give up a little bit of riding length or seat because this hump in the back compared to the old seat. But this seat is definitely much more comfortable. Alright, I shifted the seat back about 3 inches. It's in a much more comfortable position for me. I'm about 5'8". The seat feels a little bit taller because the saddle's a little wider, but it's definitely a lot more comfortable than that stock seat. I'm going to go out, take this for a ride now. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.